Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Ethereum Buff. As always, I'm your host, Kaz, and I got Callum with me.
Hi, everyone.
Happy, welcome, Callum. Happy Hump Day. So, guys, it's middle of the week. We thought we'd quickly have a chat about what's going on in the crypto world. Everyone's looking where the Bitcoin dominant is, and what are the impact on that for the other altcoins. Also include REM as well. Now, it is still a Tuesday for our US followers, but it's a Wednesday for Australian, because we're based on Australia. Obviously, we are for the Australian guys. However, it is midweek. Bitcoin had a slight the drop last night for 89. Now for the US guys, it's not a good start for the week for the whoever. If it's actually Monday night, for us it's Tuesday night. Kind of week already started strong for us, but for the US guys, the week actually start a little bit less. Saying that, still solid. Callum gonna talk more about it. Callum can give you the more in-depth information on that, and also with what happening with Aryan. Callum, over to you.
Thank you very much, Kaz, for having me. Look, guys, a very, very good welcome for you guys. You know what? The thing is, we welcome the market pretty well. Now, the story is that whenever something goes down, you should be panicking. Like, the Mr. Market scenario in, Warren Buffett story. We don't need to talk about, how the market shows you every day. Look at the big picture. So without further ado, let's quickly jump into the market. The market has dropped down, as you can see, to 88,000 as we speak in US, and that reflects throughout the market with everything that we behold. Everything would go down to the same path. So that's the story. Given that scenario, let me also show you the Bitcoin. Guys, I always try to show you the bigger picture. You can see here the bigger picture. Guys, the bigger picture, you can see where 2018 and 2022, and we are here. We don't need to jump up and down until we come to a conclusion that this has gone down all the way somewhere here, and we know it's going to drop down to 30 to 40 somewhere around here, right? We don't want to get into conclusions yet. We still can see some momentum here, something actually, some capitulation here, which is okay. Let's go back to BTC charts. This is very interesting, guys. I want to show you. This is where the capitulation or the consolidation happens, what we're talking about. Look at this over here. It's like here, look, but it took some time here, We are getting it always when it happens here, when it's going straight, that's fine. As long as it doesn't go down, we're okay, right? So that's the motive of the market today. And, geopolitical events always come into action, guys. This is the weekly chart. Now, I want to talk about, again, as usual, the MA, which is the 30 MA and the 60 MA moving averages. And you can see over here, I always talk to you about wherever the 30-day moving average goes up from the 60-day moving average, you can see it goes upwards, right? That the uptrend happens here. Now you can see over here, what happens is that with the weekly chart, this is where we have to be very careful. We don't want the moving average to go the other side, and it will drop. It will continue to drop if that happens. This is the weekly chart, but you never know. It may go up here as well. So you can't say the moving average is going to go as long as it doesn't cross, guys. We're in a good situation. You can always have these situations which comes close and go up, but usually it stays a little bit further away. But here you can see it's coming closer. But look at the daily chart. Let's go to the daily charts. Again, you can see this capitulation the consolidation quickly here. You can see in the daily charts, we can see a green doji coming up here, which is okay. Even though it dropped, we can see some movement happening now in the daily chart. Okay, this is the beauty of this. Look at this, guys. The blue line has crossed the purple line above the purple line, which means, look, it is an uptrend movement in the daily chart. So daily chart indicates us that it's going to go upwards. And that's what we want. It can be a small upwards, So in the weekly movement, remember this is one bar, one whole candle equals 1 day. If we go to the weekly chart, this one candle equals to 1 week, guys. So what we're looking at here is basically 1 week. Now, what we want to do is remember what can happen here is few weeks goes on like this and it can go blow off on top like this. This will come up and then it'll connect again and go down. So we can see an altcoin season quickly and then go down. That can also happen. So there's so many scenarios, guys, that can happen. We can only predict, and this doesn't show much because it's everything about monthly charts, right? This is a monthly chart. So let's go back to the 4-hour chart. Again, it's connecting here. 4-hour chart doesn't indicate this very small number period of time, guys. We can't mention what it is right at this stage, but daily chart is the great indicator in this point of view. Let's look at the Bitcoin fear and greed index, guys. In fear and greed, we can see going towards more fear. So whenever there's fear and extreme fear, you buy, right? That's the theory, right? Small amounts, guys, pushing to small amounts, you buy. Whenever there's huge amount of greed and everything, you sell. Very simple. And this is the let's check the altcoin season again, guys. Again, I know you guys will be thinking, oh, why are you showing me altcoin season? But let's take a look at it, right? We always see this as moves on, but we want to see it going up here, guys. So let's keep an eye on this as well. I don't want to waste my time here much at this stage. Again, Ethereum shows the same path. We want to see this going up here, guys. Ethereum is an indicator of altcoin season, so we keep on checking that as well. Now, our microcap, this is a great time, guys. Whenever it's 0.0017, it's a very good time to purchase, right, Cass? Because you can see here, guys, it has always gone up and pumped up again up here. And those traders, guys, if you're trading, it's again a good time to do the trading up here. You can see some green candles happening here. It follows the market, so that's the beauty of it. Look at the daily charts, guys. All these ups and downs, a good time for you to purchase. And why? As I always show you, go to the weekly chart and you can see this. This is the beauty. Go to MEXC and you can see what happened here. A great indicator. This is like 90 cents, guys. 100x more than that. So again, do your due diligence. I'm just someone who's showing you charts, but you need to, I'm not a financial advisor. You need to do your due diligence, your logical thinking to get some idea. You can get REM USDT, REM at MEXC. And again, do your due diligence research. And you know the team, you know what we do. We are an RWA project. Again, going back to the market, guys, solid, hang in there. Do not sell your crypto assets, guys. It's not the time. It's not the time, but I told you the time. Remember, over here, I told you, if you go to our videos, I said take some profit, right? I'm not saying take some profit here. So please do not take some profit, but you can add a lot of projects as I discussed. Last time I talked to you about, Polkadot is a good option of purchasing, guys. And then I also talked to you about Osmo. And of course, I talked to you about, I think it's in 80. I did mention about, where is it? Cosmos, Atom. Atom or Cosmos is a very good project, which I highly endorse. Again, do your due diligence. Don't take my word. We'll go through that again another time. So that's it, Kaz. I just want to tell you, that's the market, right? But again, guys, don't panic, right? Don't panic. And that's the most important thing. Stay focused, get some, whenever you see extreme fear, and you see some good bargains, you see them as bargains. You do not move with the market. You do not move with the FOMO. You take logical decisions. Take logical decisions, even about REM, guys. Do your research. We have utilities. What happens when utilities comes on board, right? Is that would add value to REM token. Right. And that's where the value comes in. Right. So given that information, that's it from me about the market.
Thank you, Callum. Thank you very much for that. So, guys, there you go. So, even it's a slow start for the market, but it's still early stages in this week. Anything can happen. It's highly volatile market. Bitcoin is still solid, so that's the main thing for us. We all feel bullish, and so you guys. I know that for a fact. So, guys, that's it from our Bus. We will come back to you in another episode very soon. Also, we do have an AMA coming up this Friday. Please subscribe, follow us, and we will put all those information in our socials very soon, and hope to see you all on that day. Till then, see you guys and have a good week. See ya.
Bye, guys.